Do you want to win a prize from $10 million prize of AI Mathematical Olympiad by Kaggle? Let's go and see this prize. Watch about this prize. This announced in the Kaggle, and this started in about 1 month ago, and this will close in June, in 28th of June. Here 28th of June will end, and submission deadline for submission June 21 2024. Started here in April 1, and now we are in this point. We are in 6th May. So the description of this contest, it's the ability to reason mathematically in critical milestone of AI. Mathematical reasoning is the foundation for solving many complex problems in different fields, in industrial, in engineering, in problem solving, in financial, from engineering marvels to intricate financial models. However, current AI capabilities are limited in this area or this field of math equations or math problems. The AI Mathematical Olympiad AIMO prize is a new. It's about $10 million prize fund to spur the open development of AI models. It's this $10 million not for this contest, but it's a part of this about 1 million from this 10 millions for this contest only. So the models created by the competitors can be performing as well as top human participants in the International Mathematical Olympiad. So this for developing the thinking way of AI in math solving problems. This competition includes 110 problems similar to an intermediate level high school math challenge of the JAMA 7B. The assessment of AI models' mathematical reasoning skills faces significant hurdle. The issue of train test leakage. Models trained in the internet scale datasets may inadvertently، يعني هي بتعمل مشاكل لما بيعملوا الاختبارات ديت على البروبلمز اللي موجوده على الانترنت، لان بتسبب سام بروبلمز وايه بتتوه الاي اي، ما بيحصلوش تريننج كويس. طيب how to fix or deal with this problem عشان يبقى في ذكاء صناعي متخصص في حل المسائل الرياضيه الصعبه او المتطوره. To address this challenge, this competition uses a dataset of 110 novel new math problems created by international team of problem solvers, recognizing the need for transparent and fair evaluation framework. The dataset encompasses a range of difficult levels from simple arithmetic to algebraic thinking and geometric reasoning. This will help to strengthen the benchmarks of assessing AI models' mathematical reasoning skills without the risk of contamination from training data. So the competition offers an exciting opportunity for all peoples or developers of AI against each other and foster healthy competition and innovation in the field by addressing this initial solving. You will contribute to advancing AI capabilities and help to ensure that its potential benefits out the risks. Join this contest to work towards a future where AI models' mathematical reasoning skills are accurately and reliably assessed, driving progress and innovation across industries. طبعا طريقة الايفالويشن, if you need to learn more about this is the accuracy between their predicted, how to evaluate this model. You can read this. I will not go here. It's technical and need some technical skills about Python and evaluating models, but the main thing is what I said to you. So how to go and share your ideas and start develop with your team. So you'll select code, and here we have the notebooks. From this notebook, select the best notebook like this one and read it carefully and study it very well, and then press copy and edit, and you will copy this model and you will develop this model according to your skills or your knowledge, and step by step you will enhance this model. You'll not start from the first from scratch, but you'll start from this very good model. All you need is to understand this model good, very good, and copy and edit it and develop it with your ideas, including your team members. So you will distribute the rules between your team members, and you will discuss it to everyone in your team work, and then you will submit, and after submit you will reach, or you will receive comments from others and discussions. These discussions and feedback and reflections from others will help you in developing the model, and day by day your model will be developed, and you may win with a part of these prizes. I will show you how to do this. You can download, you can open in Collab. So there are many ways to here. نرجع back here, the back here also back. Here is the contest. The prizes are found in down. Prizes overview, and the prices you will find at the bottom. The first place, this for team. The first team which will win about $131,000. The second team will win about $65,000. The third $32,000. The fourth and the last one, the fifth team, will win about $8,000. So the summation of these prizes is not 1 million, but it's about $250. But there are many prizes, a lot of prizes. So we have other 5 places from $32 till $2,000, and I think there is also another prize. So totally it will about $1 million for just this contest. This $1 million will subtract it from the $10 million, so there will be different and future contests about solving mathematic operations. So I will show you what my work. This is my work in this contest. Code AI mathematical, and I have about I developed 2 models. This is copy paste, but this is my developed one, Python math solver. I called it Python math. I have 4 upvotes till now, just 4, because 1 for me. And I start with importing the important libraries such as pandas and numpy, and then I wrote the reference which I followed. This one I copy it and edit it, and I start with a flowchart for developing this model. The first step is to write a flowchart, good flowchart, which is start with problem understanding, then collecting data processing, model selection, and model training, model evaluation, optimization and testing the model, and deployment it, and feedback loops, and finish the flowchart or finish the program. So the first thing is to store data in some variable called df, and this is the part of data which is the train.csv file, and then I show it by printing it in the screen. Just write df and it will write the first 10 records of this data set, and then show the first 10 problems from the data sets, and I use this code for just 5, not the 10 problems. So I have to change this one to be edit here and enhance every time you are reading and develop this model, your model, you will enhance, and I will show you some steps for enhancing this. Just select edit and then go down. When editing it, it will take time to edit and open it. So you will insert new codes and modify this code with other. This is the contest data set of it, and I included data sets from other resources. This is I included. So how to do this? Add, just press add input and select what you will include. It's data sets or models or notebook. So you have many of others are submitted. So all these are included. This is all my previous notebooks. So I have notebook in about stock markets, stock Egyptian stock market prices, and I will not go in these details. So this is the code. I will this bardo you here. You have to install some libraries, so you use pip install, and this is the link where the libraries are found, and you can install bits. It's a big library in Python. You install it using this pip keyword, and then you can import other libraries. These libraries are found in the code which I copied. This you cannot import this torch or bytes library if you don't install this bytes using the pip command. And so I am discussing. I will discuss all this model data type. This is a model. It's in the library. Then store the set in a variable df. This is we said before, and import some libraries which is called tqdm, and this is the testing data from the test CSV link. You will put in the ds variable, and then you will do some functions and showing here the five problems you have to modify. I will modify this to be 5 problems instead of 10 problems, and then I will show the user or the visitor the problems, the mathematical problems. That's just the first 5 from about 110 problems, as we said before, and these are all the problems. So I take the length of the df, the length of records, and I make a for loop with the counter k to take every record and print it. So I print all the mathematic problem from the data sets. Solution for the first problem, you can solute or solve this problem using the ChatGPT. So this code I bring it from ChatGPT, and it give me a programming solution. If you need the mathematic solution, so ask ChatGPT for doing this, and it will bring you the solution and as you want. And then there are a definition of some Python functions which will be used in the model, and then import transformers. Also you can use the paper line command, then import torch, and then import some important libraries. So this, I don't go in these details, especially these complicated ones. I just copy and paste and know how to use it and the output how to be, and then import other libraries, and here defines to erase the results and the answers, and here there are the messages which include the solution for these problems, and then the results and answers array, and here so you have the results and answers. If the solution of each problem will be appended to its corresponding index in the answers, and so on. Completing this, append to the results, append using the results here, and you have array of the results and answers, and the final answers. So it's here the model, you are trying to modify the answers by the model itself, so you will go to get very quality answers, high quality answers, and at the last you have to submit your solution, which is the model you created or the values you obtained using this model, using this submission code. And this submission code also I copied and paste, okay? And at the last you have to submit. So if you have to submit, I will show you how to make your submission. Press here, and you can go to here كده close this. You can make share, it's public, save. Now we saved for others to use it and to comment and to get. Now we have submit here. Daily submissions, you have 2 times to submit daily. I don't use anyone till today. And you have here the version. Here we have a message tell us that we cannot submit. Your notebook cannot use internet access in this competition. Please disable internet in the notebook editor and save a new version. So we will obey and go here. And search how to disable internet from this, and do the what needed. Okay, I hope you subscribe to the channel to reach every new video we upload, and press like if you like it and share it with others. Write any questions and I will reply you as soon as possible if I know how I answer it. Thanks for watching the video.